Writing good investment research takes time. Gathering the data, pulling the charts, reading the filings, and then drafting something from it all. And that's before you think about publishing it anywhere. Hello everyone, I'm Paul from Cassia, and this is the research workplace we have built to make the whole process faster and simpler. At the heart of Cassia is the AI research agent. To use this, you start by adding a new project, outline the company you're interested in, and a new chat window opens. You can ask it to pull together an overview of the company, summarise recent earnings calls, plot graphs, compare to competitors, identify risk from the latest filings, or anything else you choose. It works directly alongside your data inside Cassia. It's not a generic AI chat. It knows the platform, it knows what you're looking at, and as you know from the visualization and fundamental videos, the data is verifiable. Start by asking some questions, or by using the preloaded analyst ones. When asking questions, you can pull charts and data directly into your research article. This starts to bring together all of your research, all in lifetime, all editable and formatted. No screenshotting from other tabs, no manually updating figures, and no copying of Excel spreadsheets. The data lives inside your personal documents, which you can save to the Your Files area of Cassia. When you first hit Save to Content on a new project, you'll be prompted to create a new document. It will then auto-save for you as you go along. If you find you ask similar questions for each research project, but about different companies, just hit the Save This Question button and the question will be saved and will be available in all your other projects going forward. Think of it as your own personal question script. You can also interrogate SEC filings, ask questions in plain English, and the AI finds the answer from the actual reported document. It's a genuinely fast way to get to each part of the 10K that matters to you and your research, without having to read the whole document cover to cover. We've also built in direct internet access, so Cassia is able to search the web as well if your question requires it. As research is added to your content, you're able to amend the document by deleting elements, adding words, or changing the formatting, all directly in the right-hand panel. Once everything has come together in the article editor and you're happy with your own writing, AI-assisted drafts, embedded charts, and the up-to-date data that you've used, when you're ready, you can publish directly from your Cassia profile or export it as a social media post by clicking the share button. Just save the title, add a picture, and publish. When you've done, this has created your own unique Cassia link, which you can circulate to friends, colleagues, etc., or log directly into your social media and publish to the world. The choice is yours. AI Research Assistant, inline charts and live data, SEC filing Q&A, and a full article editor with publishing built in, all in one place. We are continually developing the research tools, so if there's a workflow or feature you'd like to see, please reach out. Thank you, and see you in the next video.